I recently came to know about this pretty handy VS Code feature that I have no idea about until recently. So as I learned, this feature has been there in VS Code for quite some time, but for some reason I have overlooked it, even if I am using VS Code on a regular basis, on a daily basis. So this feature is called timeline, and it's essentially a version control system for your local files, for files which are basically not there in your Git index. So let me show you what this feature looks like. So let's say we have this file called app.js. So this is from one of my projects, and this project has been set up for Git, but we'll see how this timeline feature works. So let's say if I want to see the timeline of this particular file, all I need to do is to go to this Explorer pane, and in this Explorer pane we have this tab called timeline. So if I open this timeline tab, you will be able to see all of the snapshots, you can say, that has taken by VS Code for this particular file. So essentially VS Code takes a snapshot of file or changes of snapshot for that particular file every time you save that particular file. So for instance, if you can see file saved, so this snapshot is called file saved, and it has been taken on September 2. It is about a month ago. And if I click on this snapshot, you will be able to see the changes that has been made to for this particular snapshot. Let me open one more. So if you can see, it basically shows you the difference of difference between two different snapshots. So it basically compares two subsequent snapshots, and it will show you the difference, like you would see in the Git panel over here. Yeah. So you will be easily able to revert back the changes from this particular window between two different snapshot, you can say. Now on top of these local snapshots, you will also be able to see the Git commits as well in this particular timeline feature. So these commits are being represented with a different icon, and you will also be able to see the Git commit message. And that's how it will be able to, you will be able to get your or track the changes of your file. Now this particular feature can come in really handy in scenarios where some of your files are not added in the Git index. So for instance, environment files, which we basically don't add into the Git index, so it's impossible to track changes for those kind of files. So this particular feature can come in really handy to track changes for files which are not basically added to the Git index. So yes, and that's about it. I hope you like this particular video. And yes, this particular feature I think is pretty underrated, and even for me it's kind of unique, it's kind of new, and I have recently started using it. So I'm really sure you will be able to you will also be able to take benefit out of this particular feature. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.